Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare and serve the perfect creamy corn chowder with sausage and potatoes. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Gather the ingredients, and start this recipe by dicing the celery, onions, carrots, potatoes, and set aside. With a paring knife, cut and remove the casing from the sausage links. Cut the bacon in ½ inch pieces, about 1 centimeter. Shuck the corn by pulling off the husk and silk of the corn cobs, and remove the silk threads as much as you can. The easiest way to remove corn silk is to use a stiff brush. It will comes off quickly and easy. Cut the kernels from the cobs with a sharp kitchen knife. Slice downward along the side of the cob, making sure to cut close to the cob. Rotate the cob and repeat the process until all kernels are removed. Set aside for after. Cooking the bacon, place bacon into a Dutch oven or a large, heavy-bottom soup pot. Heat on medium-low heat until the bacon renders its fat, and the bacon is crispy, 3 to 4 minutes. When the bacon is ready, transfer with a slotted spoon to a paper towel-lined plate, and leave the bacon fat in the pot. Add the chopped onions, carrots, and celery, and keep the heat to medium-low and cook until vegetables soften, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic, optional, and let cook for 30 to 45 seconds. Add the sausage, stir and brown until just cooked through, about 5 minutes. If necessary, use a fork or a potato masher to break the sausage into small pieces, stirring frequently. Add corn cobs and bring to a simmer. Break the corn cobs in half, after you've stripped off the corn, and add the cobs to the pot along with the diced potatoes. Stir in the flour, a branch of thyme, and a bay leaf into the sausage and potatoes mixture. Cook stirring for 1 to 2 minutes until well blended. Gradually add the vegetable broth and stir until well blended. Cover and continue cooking for 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of cooking, add the corn, a tablespoon of butter, and season to taste with salt, or stock powder, or stock cubes, and black pepper. Add a bit more stock or water if needed. Reduce the heat to a simmer, cook covered until potatoes are tender, about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure the soup is not sticking to the bottom. After about 5 minutes, discard the cobs, the thyme branch, and the bay leaf. Add the heavy cream, full cream, or half and half, light cream, or milk, and stir to combine. Partially cover, and bring the heat to the soup to a low simmer. Cook for another 5 minutes until the soup gets creamy. Once ready, the corn chowder should be creamy and thick, but not overly dense. Adjust the taste if needed, and serve. Ladle chowder into bowls, and garnish with reserved bacon and chopped chives, and serve this hearty corn chowder with crusty bread on the side. Creamy corn chowder with sausage and potatoes. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.